First and foremost, I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. We're back today with another quick meal prep, thanks to the sponsor of this video, Zwilling. This quick beef and broccoli recipe is packed with protein, and no, you don't need a slow cooker to make it. Also, we hit 1,000 likes on the last meal prep. This one gets another 1,000, we'll continue with them. Start this one with a large bowl. Add into it 2 pounds of chopped up steak. The cut you use will depend on your macro requirements. Today, I'm using a leaner top round. I'll include the calorie breakdowns for multiple cuts on the website. Continue with 2 teaspoons low sodium soy sauce, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Give that a quick mix until everything is coated. Using your hand will speed this step up. From here, take out a large stovetop pan. Today, I'm using this cast iron wok made by Staub. If you've never heard of this brand before, they make the highest quality cookware around. We'll talk more about them in a bit. Turn your burner on medium-high heat and add into whatever you're using around a tablespoon of sesame oil. Make sure to rotate your pan or pour your oil in a way that completely coats it. Once it heats up, add in your steak, let that cook for a couple minutes. While that's cooking, we'll prepare our sauce. To do this, add into a bowl 1/4 cup of beef broth, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of a brown sugar substitute, 4 tablespoons low sodium oyster sauce, 1½ teaspoons of ground ginger, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of cold water prior to adding it in. Mix all those ingredients together. Back to our steak. Flip it over once it looks like this. Let it cook for another couple minutes. Add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic in around a minute before it's done. With that finishing up, we can quickly make our broccoli. To do this, chop your broccoli up and add it into boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes. Alternatively, you can prepare your broccoli in the microwave or any other way you prefer. Last, add in your sauce mix and cook chopped up broccoli. Mix everything around and let that simmer on low heat till your sauce thickens up. You'll know it's done when it looks like this. I usually pair this with 2½ cups of rice and make 5 servings with it. It reheats great in the microwave. Now to the sponsor of this video, Zwilling. They're running a huge Black Friday sale that ends on December 31st. The sale includes some Staub cookware, which is made in France and backed by a lifetime warranty, Zwilling knives, the glass Fresh and Save starter kit, which I use all the time, and so on. If you want to check the sale out, I'll put a link to it in the description below. With that said, if you made it this far, let's do an easy giveaway. In the comments below, write your favorite holiday movie. I'll randomly pick someone in the next recipe and you'll get a shaker. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. Hit that thumbs up button for more quick meal prep ideas. Subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, stay healthy.